Which synonym belongs to mortify? The correct answer is shame. Which synonym belongs to perfidious? The correct answer is disloyal. Which synonym belongs to schism? The correct answer is division. Which synonym belongs to tractable? The correct answer is feasible. Which synonym belongs to notable? The correct answer is evident. Which synonym belongs to indigence? The correct answer is indigency. Which synonym belongs to innocuous? The correct answer is non-toxic. Which synonym belongs to epaulette? The correct answer is shoulder strap. Which synonym belongs to tenure? The correct answer is incumbency. Which synonym belongs to lechery? The correct answer is lewdness. Which synonym belongs to relic? The correct answer is lave. Which synonym belongs to mingle? The correct answer is confound. Which synonym belongs to podiatrist? The correct answer is chiropodist. Which synonym belongs to shirk? The correct answer is dodger. Which synonym belongs to lucid? The correct answer is sane. Which synonym belongs to chuckle? The correct answer is chortle. Which synonym belongs to celibate? The correct answer is abstinent. Which synonym belongs to stoic? The correct answer is expressionless. Which synonym belongs to noxious? The correct answer is scat hell. Which synonym belongs to dynamic? The correct answer is functioning.